We don't OC at CHSN. I don't have it. I know JC doesn't have it, or not has the time to watch Bulls games. But the Bulls are just meh.
Yeah,
And
I'm sorry. I'm not paying a subscription fee to watch a 500 team and a
no,
team that should just be blown up and go from there. We discussed last week, that we would maybe come in this week and discuss, what would you take for players? So do
give
you
me
want to have
picks.
that conversation this week?
Yeah, let's do that.